I feel like an old hobo. I'm sad, lonesome, and blue. I was fair as a summer's day. Now the summer days are through. You pass through places, places pass through you, but you carry 'em with you on the soles of your traveling shoes. Well, I love you so dearly, I love you so fearlessly. I wake you up in the morning so early just to tell you that I got the wandering blues, and I got the wandering blues, and I'm gonna quit these rambling ways one of these days soon. No. I say the littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. 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 Thank you.
You're welcome.